How to use voice assistant on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device, then click on search button which is located on top right corner of your screen and search Google Assistant or Voice Assistant. Then click on Assistant Settings. Go to Voice Match and then turn on Hey Google option. After turning that on, click on Retrain Voice Match Model. After clicking on that, do whatever the screen shows. And then click on Done, then press on Next. And then you're good to go. You can also delete Voice Match Model as well. Or you can use Assistant when your screen is locked as well if you turn on the settings. And that's how you use Voice Assistant on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.